Hi everybody. Hello everyone. Hello, yeah. All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're joining me from. I just decided to go live so I can keep you updated as to on what the market actually did today, right? Okay, yeah, a lot of people were anticipating a buy week. All right, but then the market did otherwise. It actually sold for the week, so I'm just going to within this few minutes show you guys what really happened. Yeah, so this is my chart on the EURUSD. So we're just going to head on to the 1 hour time frame, and remember I take my trades on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Monday is just for me to sideline and watch the market do its thing. So yeah, of course, and that was what happened on Monday. This is Monday right here. Market opened right here, sold off a bit, okay, and then pushed up to the high side. Remember last week we sold, but then why I'm taking a sell this week is one of the reasons is because the market last week formed a double low right here. We could see that the previous low wasn't actually swept into this point of interest which we marked. All right, then the market retraced back up, okay, into a premium level, okay. So I remember I will be looking to short right here. So following this week, when the market opened, it sold off a bit, failed to clear out this low right here. Remember we have a double bottom right here, so market failed to clear it out, and the market went right up and created a double top right here. Okay, so and it was actually on a Tuesday which I was anticipating to sell, right? And we were already at premium. So what am I going to do? I'll be selling, okay, to see the market clear out the liquidity below this pool of liquidity before we reach out for the buy, okay, which is the ultimate direction for the EURUSD. Okay, so I actually started my analysis from the DXY, which is the dollar index. Remember, it's the benchmark that actually controls whatever all the dollar related correlated pairs are doing. So of course the DXY is doing the opposite, right? That's a buy. And of course this was actually the drawn liquidity and my target right here, this fair value gap here, which have a liquidity pool right here above the fair value gap. And of course the market delivered the buy. That was why the EURUSD actually did the opposite. Okay, so that was the projection for the week, and let's see what's going to happen. So following the New York session today, I'm expecting to see, I'm already seeing a rejection on this zone right here. Remember, the liquidity right here has been cleared. Okay, so market is trying to do a reversal pattern following Thursday late New York session and Friday, then we wrap up the week. But right now I'm expecting to see this low still violated because it's a double low. It's a high probability point of interest because there's a fair value gap right below it. So on the 5-minute time frame, what I'm waiting for is the market actually created price action, created W pattern here, break and retest. So most of the retailers would think this is going to be the buy, but right now that's not what I'm seeing. All I see is a rejection right here, a break here, and a retest into this fair value gap, and we have a double rejection right here. So I'm seeing a pool of liquidity here, which I'm expecting that price should sweep into my point of interest here, double bottom here, double bottom here. So it's a high probability point for me to see price sweep into. So immediately we take that total swoop buy into late New York session and also Friday. So that is my projection for the rest of the week. I wish you good luck and then good trading. Cheers. See you on the other side. Yeah.